Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll give you tips on how to make your own two-phase skin oil, which is super easy and quick to prepare. Biphase products are called that because they have two phases, one of water and another of oil, which makes the product lighter on the skin. They are an option for those who do not like to use or feel the touch of pure oil on the skin. And if you are not subscribed to the channel, take the opportunity to subscribe. Leave your like and comment, hit the notification bell and share this video and seize every opportunity to live a more natural life. I will start with phase A, which will be the part where I will put all the ingredients that mix with water. Here I have 60 milliliters of water, 10 milliliters of fresh aloe vera gel, and since we are using water in the recipe, we will also need a preservative. First, I will put the aloe vera gel in the water. If you haven't seen the video about how to extract aloe vera gel, I will leave the link in the description below. Now I will add the preservative. This preservative I'm using will protect your product for a maximum of 30 days. Then I will set this phase aside. And I am going to phase B. Here I have 60 milliliters of jojoba oil to which I will add vitamin E, sweet orange essential oil, geranium essential oil, and frankincense essential oil. First, I will mix in jojoba oil just under a quarter teaspoon of vitamin E. I will leave all the quantities I am using in these two phases in the description below. And then the essential oils. I made a mix with 3 essential oils, but you can use the scents you prefer. Now, using a small funnel, I will pour the two phases into a 120 milliliter bottle. Since I am using jojoba oil and this oil does not contain lecithin, the two phases will separate perfectly. However, depending on the oil you are using, such as sunflower oil, rapeseed oil, among others, the two phases may partially mix. And your biphase oil is ready. To use, just shake the bottle well and then spread the biphase oil on the skin, preferably after a bath, while the skin is still damp.
Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Hit the notification bell so you know when a new video comes out. Leave a comment below and see you in the next video.